Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is obviously going to be a tutorial on this makeup look right here. Before we get into the video, I want to mention that these contacts are from TTDI. I will have them linked down below. And my plugs are from a little boutique called Love Kills Boutique. I will also link them down below. If you want to see this tutorial on how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. So first off, I'm going to do foundation, like obviously all that, but I'm just going to kind of like time lapse and speed through it really fast so I can get onto the eyes. So today for eyes, I'm going to be using my Modern Renaissance palette. I don't know if you guys are tired of seeing me use this, but I have fallen in love with this palette, so I use it all of the time. First, I'm going in with the shade Raw Sienna, and I'm using a Coastal Scents blending brush. And I'm just going to use this shade as my transition. I am wanting to do like something really warm tone, I know that. So I'm wearing these blue contacts and it would contrast. Then I'm going to go with the shade Real Gar. Right now I'm just putting this on my outer corner and into my crease, blending it in with that transition shade that I laid down first. Now dipping back into that Raw Sienna color that I used first, I'm kind of just blending over the edges and everything. Then back in with Real Gar, and I'm just patting this solely on my outer corner, and then I'll go back and blend the edges. Next, I'm going to go with the shade Cypress Umber. This shade I am building up also just on the outer corner. I'm not bringing the color into the crease or anything at all in the inner corner. And I'm using a smaller brush so I can be more precise. Then going back in with that first blending brush that I used, and I'm blending out the edges of that color. So I'm just going to build up that brown Cypress Umber shade a little bit more. Then blending it out. So for my lid shade, I'm going to take the color Golden Ochre. Typically I would put like a shimmer or something on my lid, but I kind of want to keep this all matte. I am going to highlight my inner corner though with the shimmery shade, and for that I'm going to be using the shade Primavera. Now with this little pointy brush, I'm going to go back in with Raw Sienna and Real Gar and a little bit of Cypress Umber and just do my lower lash line. I'm going to highlight my face using the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit, and I'm using this EcoTools setting brush. I'm going to mix the shades Starburst and Marshmallow together. So the last thing to do for eyes is put on eyelashes. So I'm using my Dodo Lashes in the style D309. As usual, I will add mascara after I know these are good and dry and stuck on. But I'm going to go back to my glow kit and just use Marshmallow to highlight my inner corner some more. So I think the last thing to do other than mascara before I'm finished is my lips. So for my lips, I'm going to use this Anastasia liquid lipstick. This is the shade Bittersweet. I think I'm going to add a little bit of Starfish liquid lipstick in the center. I'm just going to use my finger to blend it in. This is the completed look. I'm not going to really talk that much in this outro because I want to get to the grocery store and get some food so I can eat it. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Anyways, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.